Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to add a credit card to your TikTok account. First, open a web browser on your phone or computer. In the address bar, go to the TikTok website and sign into your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your profile page. On your profile page, find the three dots or menu icon. Tap on it to open more options. From the menu, select the option that says Get Coins. This section is used for adding balance to your TikTok account and allows you to manage payment methods directly. After tapping on Get Coins, you will see different coin packages displayed on the screen. These are different amounts you can choose from. Select any package. You do not need to complete the purchase. This step is only to reach the payment screen. Once you select a package, TikTok will ask you to choose a payment method. On this screen, tap on the option that says Add a debit or credit card. Now you will see a form where you need to enter your card details. Type in your card number carefully. Then enter the card holder name exactly as it appears on the card. After that, enter the expiration date and the security code found on the back of your card. Check all the information to make sure it is correct. When everything looks good, confirm the details. Your credit or debit card will now be added directly to your TikTok account. Thanks for watching.